Today we'll just learn about Applanation tonometer. The first step is to clean the Applanation tonometer. We have to clean like this. Hold the back of prism and clean softly. Second step, to put the anesthetic drops, which is the Parakin Arokin, which we have to apply now, and then we have to use the fluorescein strip. Okay. Put lower lid and apply anesthetic drops in the pocket of lower lid. We have to apply in the both the side. Just open the fluorescein and remove it. Make sure that you should not touch the tip of the fluorescein, and just put one drop of anesthetic drop. And you have to apply very minimum that way. Okay, and ask patient to blink 1 or 2 times. Next step is to on that motor, which illumination system, and make it maximum high. You have to set it the illumination at the maximum at the 14 here, 14, and make it the blue light. And the Applanation tonometer should be the straight here, which we can see from the. You have to make the align this properly, like you can see here straight. We have to make it align centrally, and you can see the back here properly. Okay, so this is the how you have to align that. First make it illumination increase, maximum illumination should be there, and this motor should be around 45 degree around. Okay, and when you are checking the patient right eye, patient has to look at this wall. Patient has to look at here this wall, or you can give this LED light, okay, to focus. And when you check patient the left side, you have to show that this wall here to focus, or you can shift this LED light. Okay, whichever slit lamp don't have LED light, then they can focus in the wall of illumination system here, which you can see here. Okay, once you align the Myers, you have to adjust this knob. Wherever it get aligned, that number you have to multiply it by 10. So example, patient is value is this one, so you can see here this is standing in the 1.5, which that means multiplied by 10, it is the 15 value. And if the value you are getting like here, then 2 into 10, it is like 20. If it's increasing here, and this will be the 30. Each line is equal to 2.1. This is line is 2.2, 2.4, like that. This way you have to calculate that. And always remember, before doing the Applanation tonometer, you should always keep this set it here in the 1, which is the 10 milligram of 10 millimeter in mercury, and slowly always you have to go then upper side only. Slowly you have to rotate. You should not rotate this speedily. It has to rotate very slowly. And when you see the Myers are very big difference, then you can make it like, if very high, like around 30, 35, then make it second time you can make it lying around 10 mm below that, and then again from there you can increase the slowly that. Okay, please don't rotate this drum like very fast way. So I'll just show one Applanation tonometer how to do that. So is ready. First I'll show the ghost Meyer. We have to always see the ghost Meyer, then align that, and then only we have to go further. Okay, so what you can see that there is Meyer which you are seeing in the upper one Meyer. This is not actual Meyer, it is just ghost Meyer. That is ghost Meyer. We have to see the both the ghost Meyer has to come. So this is the another ghost Meyer which is visible right now. So this one we have to align. You can see that when I decrease the height, the ghost Meyer is somewhere distorted. So we have to make it such a way align that it has to be in the center. This is not a Meyer, this is just ghost Meyer. And now when they cross each other, and that original Meyer will visible. So these two ghost Meyer once cross, you will get the original Meyer. So the alignment of ghost Meyer is very important. So this is the way you have to go, and you can see this is the actual mire which is visible. Okay, so this mire you have to now align it little up and down, means move it. Here you can see that it is not aligning properly. Now you can just see that this is the actual inner corner to inner corner, this is there. Now what we can see that it is again, it is increased the value, so this is false value, this is the higher side. So this is not the actual point which you have to see, this is the point which you have to align.